Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's video I am going to show you how to extract the toddy palm fruit pulp in a simple way at your home itself. Now just don't think that this toddy palm fruit pulp is only we can see in villages. How can we see here, or how can we get that extract? So you can do it or extract it in a simple way. All you need to get is this toddy palm fruits. Now this toddy palm fruits, you have to select a fresh one. When will you select, or how can you select this? The fresh ones which drops out from the tree early in the morning, you have to collect them only. Once it becomes 8 o'clock in the morning or like that, you should not take those, because all the animals comes and touches. So the fresh ones you can get it only at early morning, that is from 5:30 or 6 o'clock, like that you can get these beautiful and amazing tasty toddy palm fruits. Now remove the top part of the toddy palm fruit, and then now take a bowl and take a strainer. Here I have taken a juice strainer or a sieve. Now this is very easy. Now take a large bowl so that the sieve fits into the bowl. Now take another bowl with some water so that it helps to wet your hands in the middle when you extract the pulp. Now the simple thing you have to do is gently remove only the outer layer, that is the skin of the toddy palm fruit. Whatever outer skin is there, you have to remove that skin itself. So gently you need to remove, otherwise the entire fruit comes out. Now once you are done with this outer skin, just remove and put it aside. Now gently just put your thumbs in the middle of the fruit and just put some pressure on it. It can easily get extracted. You will get 3 seeds. For the toddy palm fruit, you will have 3 seeds in the middle. Now with the 3 seeds and more fiber and pulp, what you need to do is you need to gently rub the seed with a little bit of water. Don't add too much of water, otherwise your pulp will be juicier but not in a thick consistency. So just remember that. Now what you need to do is, it's very simple. Just do the action of as if you are scrubbing your utensils. How you wash your utensils, in the same way do in the same manner. Once you're done, see, only the threads will be on the seed and the remaining extract will be collected in the bowl. This is very simple. It just looks like the mango pulp we are collecting, and trust me, you'll have an amazing taste in this way if you collect it. Now for toddy palm fruit, there is a little bitterness that can be negligible, because that brings a more taste to this toddy palm fruit cake, or whatever dish you prepare, toddy palm fruit idli or whatever you prepare. So this is very simple. This is very simple way to remove the pulp from the toddy palm fruit. Now toddy palm fruit have many health benefits. So isn't it very easy to prepare or extract the pulp from the toddy palm fruit? It's so simple and easy, but all you need to get is, you have to find toddy palm fruits fresh, and then you can prepare like this. Now also you can store this pulp for 1.5 weeks straight in the fridge, and you can prepare anytime you want. So this is very simple and also healthy, and also you can enjoy the amazing toddy palm fruit cake. Just check the link and enjoy. Thank you.